you want one? Which one do you want?
Green.
Green? Yeah? What other one do you want?
That's.
Which ones?
That's. Three.
3? So we went ahead and got some of these yummy donuts from MisterDonuts for Halloween. There's 6 in total actually available. These are just 3 of them. This is the honey glazed old-fashioned donut. You have the jack-o'-lantern shaped donut and this pumpkin cream donut. It's glazed with the pumpkin cream, and then inside you can see here there's this really nice, really well kind of seasoned cream that's got some pumpkin flavor to it. Then we have some jack-o'-lantern shaped donuts. There's also a strawberry version of that. And then over here is the old-fashioned donut. There's a chocolate glaze and a plain version as well. This one has a honey glaze with a couple pumpkin seeds on it. Super happy we had these this year. This is the first year to have these. Very, very delicious.